Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change passcode on TonKeeper, and it is very easy to do, so make sure to watch the video until the end. Let's open TonKeeper, and as you can see this is the TonKeeper interface. Now what you need to do is simply tap on settings in the top right corner of the screen. Now here scroll down and tap on security. In the security section you can tap on change passcode, but first you need to type your old passcode or current passcode. So let's type it. After that type your new passcode. So let's type our new passcode. Make sure to do it 2 times before the passcode is changed. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.